Is regenerative medicine about to end the age of irreversible paralysis? Breakthrough in spinal cord injury treatment with 3D printing and stem cells. At the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, researchers have merged three-dimensional printing, stem cell science, and lab-grown spinal tissue to confront one of medicine's most stubborn challenges: spinal cord injury. More than 300,000 Americans live with paralysis. For decades, progress has stalled because nerve cells, once destroyed, cannot regrow across the damaged cord. But what if we could guide them? The Minnesota team has created a three-dimensional scaffold seeded with stem-derived spinal cells. Its microscopic channels act like roadmaps, steering growth and forming a living relay that bypasses injury. In rats with severed cords, these lab-grown neurons connected to the host tissue and restored movement. The result? Animals once paralyzed began to recover function. "This marks a new era," said neurosurgeon Ann Parr. "Our mini spinal cords could one day reach patients. The work is still experimental, but its promise is unmistakable. Could lab-grown spinal cords become the standard of care? How soon before patients regain movement once thought lost forever? And if paralysis can be reversed, what other limits of the human body might fall next?" For the complete news, visit our website. Support us by following and sharing.